This is almighty Ariaria airline, Ariaria International Market, Abia. See how messed it is. See people's goods spoiled by the rain and floods yesterday. This is too disheartening.
Yeah, you know which one you want to have China. I'll hear that what you have. Go to Sharosh to do that. One of them and that we try to have something back.
This is still the airline, Ariaria Junction, Ariaria International Market. It is flooded. This is just a 2 days rain. This is very, very bad. Look at it, stretched from here down to the end. From the beginning to the end. You can see that man still getting out trashes from his shop. Dump of trash in airline, Ariaria International Market, Abia. Look at how devastated everywhere is. It's an eyesore. This is an eyesore. The almighty international market. If I'm not mistaken, it should be the third largest market in the east. Isn't this an eyesore? This is too bad. Way too bad. Just imagine how people's goods were being littered and destroyed by the flood yesterday. The almighty Ariaria International Market. This is too bad. Just imagine. Is the government of Abia State really trying? Just look at the flood. Let's take a look. Very, very bad. All these things are people's goods, spoiled by the rain yesterday. All these things are wrappers. Imagine how disheartening it is. These wrappers are not for sample. They are not sampling it. They are just spreading it under the sun for it to dry. Because of the flood yesterday, I got into their shops and drained those wrappers. See this side, people are still sampling their goods under the sun for it to dry. It's not that they are bringing it out for customers to buy, but they are spreading it under the sun because of the devastating flood yesterday here in Ariaria International Market. This is very, very bad. See people's goods being destroyed by the flood yesterday. See. All these things are goods destroyed by flood. They are not for sale. They are out there in the sun to get dried. You can imagine how devastating and tattered everywhere is.